Materials need to be procured, and it has to undergo a series of action. In these series of action we come across various documents that are required to procure right material, and to make it available to the required area of any job or order. In this video we will see all these documents required from listing the materials to its issuance to the ultimate area where it is required. Apart from that, in case if there is any excess material supplied to a particular department, these excess can either be transferred to stores or to any other department as per the requirement. Documents required for such transfer is also explained in this video. Bill of material is also known as material specification list or material list. Bill of material is a complete schedule of parts and materials required for a particular order. List is prepared by drawing office. It is prepared by the product development team commonly known as engineering or planning department. Format and content of bill of material vary on the basis of industrial peculiarities and accounting system. Bills of material is shared with concerned department like marketing, purchase, stores and cost and account department. Now we will see how bill of material are used by departments. Production department prepares the list of materials to perform a particular job or order. Purchasing department purchases materials required based on bill of material. Store department issue material to particular department after verifying the bills of material against the requisition letter from relevant department. Cost department prepares estimates and budget based on bill of material, and later compare the actual with the budgeted material to check variances if there is any. Other utility is that it can be used as quotations, and also help to have quantitative control on materials. Material requisition note is a formal written demand usually from the production department to stores for the supply of specified materials. It is prepared by the foreman of the consuming department. It authorizes storekeeper to issue materials and record the same in the bin card. Columns contain description code, quantity of material, and cost of material issued. One copy is kept with department who made the request and another with costing department, and last copy stays with stores. It shows material actually drawn from stores. Purchases requisition is a request made to the purchase department to procure materials of given description and of the required quality and quantity within a specified period. It authorizes the purchase department to issue a purchase order to secure materials intended for periodic requirements of a given material. It also provides guidance to the purchase department to estimate the future requirements in order to secure maximum purchase benefits in the form of higher discount and better credit terms. It forms a basis for preparation of a purchase budget. This form is prepared by storekeeper for regular items, and by the departmental head for special materials not stocked as regular items. The purchase requisition is prepared in 3 copies. Original will be sent to purchase department, duplicate copy will be retained by the indenting department, and the triplicate will be sent to approver for approving the purchase requisition. Purchase order (PO) is a request made in writing to selected supplier to deliver goods of requisite quality, quantity, as per the purchase requisition, at the prices, terms, and conditions agreed upon. It is a commitment on the part of the purchaser to accept the delivery of goods contained in the purchase order if the terms included therein are fulfilled. Usually a purchase order is made in 5 copies, 1 each for suppliers, receiving or stores department, originating department, accounts department and filing. Thus, we see that all the departments concerned with the materials are informed fully about all the details of every purchases, and it becomes easier for everyone to follow up on any relevant matter. Goods received come inspection note. The stores department will receive the material at the gate entry. It will compare the quantities received with the PO quantity. It is a valuable document as it forms the basis of accounting entry in the store's ledger and stock records. It is the document basis for quality control department to carry inspection of the material inward. It also forms the basis of payments to be made to the supplier in respect of the materials supplied. Suppliers' invoices are checked with goods received notes which such for actual receipt of the goods supplied by the supplier. One copy of such note is also sent to inspection department, who after inspection of materials approves the note for stores department to receive the materials. Outstanding goods received notes, which are not linked with suppliers' bills, enable the accounts department to estimate at the year end the liability for goods purchased for which suppliers' bills are not received. Material transfer note. When excess material with any department, at certain cases, cannot be transferred to stores, as an alternative, the excess material is transferred to another department where it can be utilized for a process. Material transfer note is made in duplicate, one is given to cost department and another one stays with department making transfer. Cost department makes necessary adjustment in cost ledger using this copy. Return of material. Unusual or excess stocks are returned back to stores. It is important to return it to stores for effective material control, otherwise, it will be misappropriated or misapplied to some other purpose. Surplus shall be accompanied by shop credit note or store debit note. These are some of the basic documents required by a company, which process right from estimation of requirement of the material, then purchase of material till it reaches its destination, where it is utilized. The documents may change based on the type of raw material and type of industry. This video focused mainly about material documentation.